I'm here with a container of ground cherries. These are also called husk cherries. Let's check them out. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. I recently got these in my weekly farm share delivery, and I thought I would film a video about them because they are not a very common fruit. I very rarely see these in any of my local stores, and they are delicious. So these are called husk cherries. They're also called ground cherries. The reason why they're called husk cherries is because you can see they have this papery husk around them. And the reason why they're called ground cherries is because they are ripe when they fall to the ground. You don't want to pick these off the plant because then they're not going to be ripe enough. They're going to be too tart. But when they're ripe, they then fall to the ground and you pick them up off the ground and then you can harvest them and eat them. So let's open this up. And this is what they look like inside. They're like a mini cherry, or also they remind me of like a really, really small cherry tomato, although they don't taste like a cherry tomato. Even though they're in their husk, I still like to rinse them off before I eat them. This is what they look like inside. So they have a sweet taste, but they're also kind of citrusy. I mean, at least to me, they're kind of citrusy. They almost remind me of like a kumquat. They don't really taste like a cherry. I'm trying to think how I could describe these as far as the flavor goes. They're a little bit tart, but they're mostly sweet. I guess if you crossed like a berry and a citrus fruit, that's what they remind me of. And I was thinking of making something with these, like what can I cook with them? But the problem is that I really enjoy eating these raw like this. Like they're really, really good. And this is like a treat for me. I don't get these often, so I figured I'm just gonna eat these raw and show these to you in case you haven't seen these before. They're really good. And they are definitely worth looking out for if you have like a local farmer's market or a local farm stand. Again, I don't normally see these in regular supermarkets. And so that's my taste test and review of these ground cherries, also known as husk cherries. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.